Hey y'all, welcome back to another vlog. So as you can see, I'm in my car. I'm on my way to Trader Joe's to get the newest tote. It's like a 1967 something type of tote. If you don't know by now, I love totes, purses, bags, pouches, wallets. Like I just love all that stuff. This came out, I think, today, and they are on sale for $4.99 to pick that up. Then I'll be going to Home Goods and maybe Ross and this new coffee shop. So of course I wanted to bring you all with me, okay? Cause y'all like my girlfriends, okay? I can bring y'all with me where we can hang together, okay? Pay attention to the road, and I will see you probably after I get out of Trader Joe's because I just want to grab the bag and go. So I'll see you once I leave Trader Joe's, okay? And I'll show you the bag that I'm talking about to where I'm going. Mwah. All right, y'all. It's crowded, like real crowded. If I turn the camera around, the line is all the way up there. Crazy. But what can you do? It's Saturday. Look at the line, y'all. All right, y'all. That was crazy. So now I'm about to go to Best Buy. I just wanted to see their cell phone cases. So I'll turn the camera back on when I get inside of Best Buy. Let's see. 13th. Here's the Caseify case. I don't think this is the Pro Max. This one is real cute, that one. But where are the Pro Maxes? Oh. I have a lot for the Pro Maxes. And this is $60. Mm-hmm. The blueberry pancake latte, and here are all of their drinks. They sell food, they got cake pops, and their prices is not as high as this time. I wasn't recording. Hey y'all, Hey y'all, hey, God is good all the time and all the time. God is good. I'm gonna start adding that into my intro to my vlogs because God is good all the time, okay? So I was saying was I went to Tjmaxx and Marshalls yesterday. I forgot to vlog my unboxing. I mean, I forgot to vlog what I bought, but I bought an Apple Watch band. Yo, anytime y'all see these, grab them because I think these used to be like, what, $50, $60? And they were $14.99 at TJ So I got that. Rug for outside. I bought a Fifi, a scratching pad. I bought this coffee stuff. I bought some popcorn. I bought 2 pair of pants for work, like these leather looking pants. They were from the Gap. They were $80 at the Gap because they still had the tag. And I paid $14.99. And then I just got a regular pair of pants. That noise, that's Fifi in the bathroom. Do you got kitty litter, Fifi? So yeah, that's her in the bathroom. And I brought some coffee stuff because right now I'm using the virtual the virtual pods, but I'm running low here, pumpkin pods. Coffee gourmet flavors. I don't usually use coffee flavors, but I felt like why not? Let's try something different. They have a lot of different flavors if you can see. So I got that, and this was $7.99. I got this here case of Nespresso pods. I have bought this before, and you get 50 for $16.99. That's a great deal, okay? Because the Starbucks pods that I were buying for the original Nespresso machine, they were, I think, $12.99 for just 10. And for $16.99, you get 50. So that was a good deal. Reason for the pink, because y'all, of course, y'all know it's breast cancer month. So I asked my boss, could we wear pink? And she was like, sure. I could wear something other than black. I'm going for it. I had to keep carrying my Gucci because I did wear my Gucci yesterday while I was out. Because I don't know, I just wanted to wear something crossbody. Really quick, what's in my Gucci bag? Let's go ahead and put y'all right here. Yeah, I don't know what I did, but I picked one of my moles, and I don't know if you can see, it's like bruised, and it'd be like itching and stuff. Girl, I don't know what I would call myself doing. I just bought this the other day. It came in the mail. I do have to get a lipstick to be able to use it, and it is by the brand Guerlain, and it comes in this little black bag. Yo, this is just the cutest little thing. If you know me, you already know I had to get this. So it's like a mirror in the inside. And so what you do is the lipstick, but I wanted to get a new one to go with this. So I got that. My Tarte lip gloss. And then I bought these little charms from Ulta. Some toothpicks that I need to leave in the house. I took them out the car. I had some gum. I had my toilet seat covers. I have my iPhone, y'all. I call myself not buying the privacy screen, and for some reason I still bought the privacy screen. I'm not sure if it's taken away from the actual look of the camera, like the brightness or whatever, but yeah, so this is the case that I am wearing, and I did put one of these little things on here. One of my Sephora friends got me this for my birthday last year, and I have this here case, y'all. The cases for the new iPhones are very expensive. I'm like, damn, do I want to spend that type of money? A cute case at what is it? Best Buy, and that case is like $60. I do have a $10 off coupon, so I may just go ahead and get it since I have the $10 off coupon. But y'all, the cases for these are very, very expensive. But so far, so good. I did bedazzle her out with those little things I bought off of Amazon. Favorite lip gloss that I got from Dollar Tree, y'all. Hands down my favorite. Car keys. My house keys. I did go to Dollar Tree And this here new coffee spot I went to yesterday. And y'all, so far so good. Like, so far so good. I have my Fenty lip, and it also has some charms on it. Chanel card case. I have my fragrance. I think I'm gonna wear this. This smells so good. And my claw clip I got from Dollar Tree. It kind of reminds you of that brand MEJ or MJ. Rolled lip. Let me take this out because I don't have no proof of purchase. Because I bought that from the Road website. And I have this here tissue. It's a Hello Kitty. I've been saving it. I got it from my friend's house who did my nails. Y'all, when I tell you she's so extra on 1,000, like she has Hello Kitty paper towels. So I was like, oh, I'm going to use those to clean my glasses. A fingernail file. So yeah, y'all, that's what I have in my bag. And I'm just going to work. I have a cute shift today. I'll tell you. I think I waited too long. Like, don't get me wrong. I love what I do. I love working at Sephora. I love, being a part of a team. I love working at Sephora, you all. Don't get me wrong. But I feel like I waited too late in my age to do a job like this. Because, y'all, when I tell you it's wearing on my body, hold on. Because, trying to find jobs is so hard. But I got to take care of myself and my body because, y'all, when I tell you my feet, like they've been aching and I don't know what's going on. Like I'm trying to like push through, but I don't know. My feet just been aching. I did get some like work inserts that, like the gel inserts from Dr. Scholl's. It did make the sneaker feel comfortable, but my foot still hurts. So I don't know if it's medically something is going on. I'm not sure, but yo, when I tell you this job is it's like taking a toll on me, and I feel like it's more so my age. I mean, I'm not old, but I'm not young, but I feel like I'm a little too old to just be like on my feet all day. And of course I need the money, so I can't afford to really go part-time. But yeah, something gonna have to give you all. Like, I'm getting too old for this shit, okay? People that can work until they 60 and 70. But I feel like for me, it's the standing on the feet for long periods of time, So, I mean, they're really good with me taking a lot of breaks. But yeah, I just say that to say life is life, and y'all. I'm getting up in age. I'll be 50 in less than 2 years. So, attention to my body. Like I said, I love my job. I'm good at my job. I love helping people. I love working with people. But y'all, I just feel like I'm starting to feel tired. Maybe it could be the way they got me working like back to back, back to back. Like I'm working 4 to 5 days back to back. And I feel like that might be a little too much for me and my body. Like if they could go back to how they had it where it was split down, where I worked 2 days off a day or two and then come back and work one day, 2 days and then off. Because the 4 days, 5 days back to back, I can't do it. Now, if I was at an office job, yeah, of course, that's nothing. But working retail, dealing with clients, the mouth, the disrespect sometimes, the rudeness sometimes, and like I said, constantly being on my feet because we only get an hour break and we don't get no like 15 in betweens. So if you do like a 12 to 9, y'all already know that's all day. And I'm like, I'm not used to those hours because when I was working, I worked for the school. So, I was a cute little 7 to 3 or 8 to 4 or something like that. But I was constantly able to stand up, sit down, stand up, sit down. Now I'm just strictly standing up on my feet all day, y'all. And it's getting to me. It's getting to me. But head out so I can go to work. But I just wanted to check in with you all. So I'll probably see you when I get off of work. And if not, I'll just add this to another vlog. So with that being said, y'all enjoy the rest of y'all week. And what I said in the beginning, God is good all the time. And all the time, God is good. And with that being said, you all don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. to click on that subscribe button, you all, because it really helps out my channel. And with that being said, I will talk to y'all in the next vlog.